Masquera say muri Zimbabwe. Welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karike kuchanga kako kuyapa nino channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chingoka subscriber. Don't forget to comment, share and like this video. Muri Zimbabwe nasinda kuigira inyaya irikunetsa nyaya ya Baba Guti muri Zimbabwe. Baba Guti varikuakizwa nemaZimbabwe nchinzi Baba Guti Vakaromba muri Zimbabwe. Nimwe yevanhu vakafa muri Zimbabwe. Nyaya yabuda mushure mekunge pabuda audio Baba Guti vachitaura vachiti vakaenda kuAsia vakanotora matombo 3 paguva raJohn muri Zimbabwe. Vakaenda kuZimbabwe vakamaisa pa a holy place vachitaura vachiti matombo aya aizovabatsira kuti vararame makore akawanda muri Zimbabwe. Saka nyaya iyi haina kutaura zvakanaka nemamwe maZimbabwe muri Zimbabwe. Baba Guti richo yakaitai kwaiva kuromba, asi vamwe vataura vachiti zvinhu zvakaitwa naBaba Guti izvi muri Zimbabwe zvinhu zvakagara zvaitwa mubhaibheri zvichinzi ana John chaivo vaishandisa miti muri Zimbabwe, zvichinzi chero Jesu chaiye aishandisa madhaga muri Zimbabwe kupodza vanhu muri Zimbabwe. Inzwai audio iyi mutidzo zvamuri kufunga mucomment section pamusoro penyaya iyi.
When I was in Asia Minor, when I was in Ephesus, I went to the grave of John, the son of Zebedee. And I took 3 stones from his grave to put them in a cave in Bindura. Well, that's only men who died when they were 100 years. So
you heard it, ladies and gentlemen. You heard it. When he was in Asia Minor in Ephesus, he went to the grave of John and took 3 stones. And he took them and put them in a cave in Bindura. And he says that is the only man who died after reaching 100 years. Not sure if he's the only man who died after reaching 100 years, but for the sake of this conversation, let us just assume that it's true.
When I was in Asia Minor, when I was in Ephesus, I went to the grave of John, the son of Zebedee. And I took 3 stones from his grave to put them in a cave in Bindura. Well, that's only men who died when they were 100 years. So